This might look exactly like a real goose, but it's actually a highly realistic robotic decoy. In Canada, hunters use these ingenious devices near fields and rivers. They position the robotic geese and then conceal themselves nearby. The key to the trick is sound. The hunters use calls that mimic the sounds of real geese. The genuine flocks flying overhead are completely fooled by the realistic look and sound, believing they are seeing a safe landing spot. They descend right next to the decoys, allowing the hunters to easily capture them.